That's one unhappy neighbor. She might be a little intoxicated.
Is this not the house that burnt down like 2 years ago? 3 years ago? I live right around the corner. I was coming to tell you that you had a great house. Mama. I was coming to tell you that you had a great house.
Hi. Please wait. It may take me a moment to answer.
Who are you? You can put that back. Put that back.
Hey, put it back or we'll call the cops.
No, put it back. I don't.
Or we'll call the cops.
You are currently being recorded. You are currently being recorded.
He lost his phone.
Yo, listen, my phone is here. I'm looking at my app and it says my phone is at this location. I need my phone. Somebody in there got an iPhone? Come outside with the iPhone, please. Just give me my phone and I'm gone.
I think you got the wrong house.
Nah, I don't got the wrong house, man. I'm looking at my app. It says my phone is here, bro. Can somebody please just give me my phone and I'm gone. I'm not looking for no trouble. Just give me my phone, please.
It may be the apartment across from you.
Bro.
I'm not sure.
Listen, bro. Give me my phone. I'm not looking for no problems. If y'all don't give me my phone, I'm coming back here and I'm gonna light this shit up. I need my phone.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to call the police.
Alright, no problem, B.
He'll be responding to a different type of emergency.
Hey, hon.
Hey, I'm getting ready for work. Can you do me a big favor?
Yeah, what do you need, sweetie?
Can you go pick me up a box of tampons? I really need them.
No.
Yes, I need them.
Honey,
And I don't have time to go get them.
God, I'm in uniform. It's embarrassing for me to go in that store and get a packet. No, don't do that to me. No. Oh my gosh.
I really need them.
What? Okay. I'm on the other side of the county, sweetie. It'll take me 45 minutes to get there. You gonna be late for work?
I have your location. You're only 5 minutes down the road.
Can you use paper towels until I get home this afternoon?
No, absolutely not.
Oh my God, you're killing me. You are killing me. What? I gotta go. Bye.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. What can I help you with, ma'am?
Yes, I want to report that my lawnmower got stolen.
Okay. You mind if I come in?
Come on in.
All right, thank you.
Waiting on his Uber ride.
Hi, what do you need?
I'm just waiting for my Uber.
Oh, you Uber?
Yeah, Uber.
You can stay on my porch.
Huh?
You can stay in my porch. It's a property. It's a private property. You don't live in my house.
I'm not being disruptive.
You can stay on my porch. It's private property. Please, out of my house. Out of my house. I call the police.
Just watch this. The repo man came for his car. I think they've done this before. What is going on here? A man and his best friend.
I miss you so much. I miss you so much. You're my sweet Anya. She's a cuddle, you beautiful kid.
Not weird at all.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
They had a little trouble. Nothing suspicious here. Why do this? Fleeing from the scene? Definitely needed some support for this. He didn't give them a minute of his time.
Might be a soliciting sign right there. My bad.
10 p.m. solicitors.
Yes.
Brother, you know what we're doing? Ma'am, do you know what we're doing?
No.
Okay, gotcha. I'll just come back another time because there's no way you're not going to be interested. Brother, I hope you have a great night.
No, don't come back here at all. 10 o'clock at night. Don't come back.
Definitely going to.
Always stay alert.
Oh, Jesus.
They didn't care about the note.
Carry on, no soliciting. Carry on my way with you are so when you are done. Yeah, you will to it. Don't you cry no more.
Was this planned? Watch this porch pirate. I know he sold something that day.
I just want to solicit. I'm kidding. But my name's Garrett with EcoShield. The ticks, the ants, the spiders, they keep on popping up. Give your boy a call. I'll get rid of them. I'm like Batman for the ticks. Alright, have a good one.
The camera scared him off.